Abusiafo ya mamu nyina akwaba mame ma akwaba Emma Adom TV so live me okay sana ena yede ebremu ene ye ne lawyer for penifo ena Asia ena yede ensemi ede ebremu we eye me okay sana case anase dwumedi a ye hyeda to yebo na yafa enkrofo problems o mo wa efamra ho ene echechemu ese na efata se yede bema wo we any free to lawyers so de ene wo ma ben papa senior lawyers ena ye ne wo eti studio ha ye de okay sana ebebrem no na ebe hwe ni titu aware na de enti na ye de twe adwuna kwakosi aware no so ne se na nse ye hu niema bebre wo behwe no nkofo bebre no na oba ne be ma na omote na oma wo mienu miensa enan o se omo ya wafo ye behwe se sa na de hia ye kese kwa ne ya hyeda ko register general mua baabi a ye register companies nyina ya kofo omo lawyer aba omo so na register aware so omo mechirem se unim se unya osofo 419 minka se 419 po osofo ayi one man church sibia obetime ehira wa ware so ma wa dikawa be tooth sene ebi kro tumi de bo ha no de bia bo promise was wa wari goyi oboa be ma ni be wuo ana asem beba no e be ka se onya yire because asori na ohira wa ware so ma wo no asori ni tumi so register aware unim sa enti ene e be hwe ho asem na aka na se wo ya osofo nso now so you wenim na ndia wo de ayi 2008 wo hyenkom na sorry for me one number one I receive it and I receive it and I receive it now I wadi so be shower there so awoso unim enhyehyɛ a wo be ye ansa na aware na wo pese o hyira so no aye legal marriage and e be kan wasem enya sa wo de betete krata ama nkrofo bete be empty krata keke ena ekuta nkrofo ni nyina na e be kan wasem e wo mi okay sana so enti ene bie wasum pasa wa yi wasum na tobo netie ensem no ema me okay sana I friend me vim lady efia pokua Friday nwumre bia emranko an ye we no free senka be kolo ya ho ni chambers no akoko busa nsem no ye de law no toawo e wo dem wo de o we nsan kra nya we de we na emran no toawo ne hu ensan na wo we no kra no yi whiskey brandy any fanta beer o ka say whiskey no kwa na ye fanta no so kan diabetes eno kra hu mra ho da chi bia be kan wasem ni ntini nyina na okay sana ye bie mu amu se de nsem ni nyina tinti okay sana waje akonya de anu ati akonya ne lawyer ye Oladele Kwaku eden apibike je aribike na aron na o maye ne se no me producer no ha so wono aso America ni o se China ni o woke kan album ti se o say Ellen o be steady enti ede bai wo lawyer ni a Nigeria kum Ghana nti we wo de Nigeria nyansa Ghana nyansa bom ne se no ya dual citizen wa be pa we lawyer kese pa o nye lawyer ketwa ya je se ma bre kran sana me say kan from register general department o me na register wa we nyina e wo Ghana aje se okoye ne court ena ndio emma wo ho ba ni nyina be kan wasem sanso ono e principal state attorney e wo registrar general e wonom yewra kwabna bo aben mensa enso ye lawyer nipa wa ben pa ono so senior lawyer je say more than a year kra 10 years at the bar nze 20 no kra na producer ba ko ni ene wo no ele wonnan nam hei sire macho ni awo no wedi ho 20 obo ni awo no 20 years at the bar tiane senior lawyers ene ene o mbebo enkomo o me okay sana so ti no obi wasum lawyer mama me mama kwaba Mr. Arubike, do you go to Nigeria? I go Nigeria kaka.
Yes.
Uko I go da obeko me no obeko why?
Okay, your man.
Obeko Abuja ko chele kaka. Rabobe akwaba so. Yeah. 20 years at the bar dey nya adwuma ketu o.
More 20 more.
Eh, ebru 20 kra. Wache wa adwuma nim. Emra no na we ne saa. Mo why dey that pa. Na yenko yensem no so. Ba me ka etie for say adwumedi ade bro mo case na na techi bites. Ene papa won na me ka say wo mra kra won sa ho. Tina woma ye advert kwa yes drink responsibly uni 18 years aye nton ma ho kwa broche na nim na wo ye bawo na ton sama akora okra mratumi di ubedem responsibly to ya no ya hwe ye pa enti na techi de haba ma ne dia wo no forget about advert na ati TV so ni radio so na ho bit so mboa na techi we ye di ja no ne na nom ena o man dudo ena o mo ade ama no oti ase top eba wo mo so ye ba bia chese beboa pa unya ayi a utu say yes beboa eno na ho den ni ade okwa top eba de hotuti wo mo abocha hotuti bi okwa atiatia akwa tubi kum ansa obi bi kra be koso pacho ko top eba ma no amopa wo ni ade ni okwa top eba akwa last stop ɛhɔ ye behwe papa mame cho paint I no so papa pa wo be paint u down ene afi 2018 ma wo dan no so brighten utu anum untwa dan no ho twa dan no ho brighten o ti ase o tumi abo we de tema na esi factory kakaka ene say ye adwuma silk coat paint ena make for them silk coat paint tema mema on number no ma che oba a obenya bia to madama ene enwume ye de me case na abram ti lawyers me mama kwa be na yenko ye case so na de edi kan kra no ye be hyeda hwa aware ne mum yanka sise ye asem ansa o so de Juliet o se wawai 20 years nie na onini kunu no omuhia wo school na mo date kakra ansa na omo ware na in fact naga ne ye ni papa no me ade chese bibi opa bi odema no omo okra miensa na chese wo so wawa ma ne mai wo manyini kakra ne ade wo hwe nkola ne nyina na obema ne ka so onye adwuma na wontena fie oba so odo no kunu ka na osi kori wo je adwuma na otena fie no wo se na se bema ni sebi se hunu a wodie no tete no eduane obeye bia bema ni wonne nkasa wo ma ni sika hwa obehwe no kra wo hwe no na de hwe na wo kra eti obeye kuma ne se empaso agora lawyer for friend consummation onye wonne na nti obeye tumi ko hye night gone otumi ko to ahwene bo pada sram kuto chese ni nyina brace na wo mu anokra nya de chese wo ye ni bibia nti we de wo so oboa be ma na momo si fie mu a chese 3 bedroom apartment enye fikitwa but say no se ne be ma na ye no ahomete ama eduru baby kra de be ma ntumi kwakwa no so wo 1 2 free a mehwe ase de agu honum ne ade wo ka ni nyina agu no so oba no so yam hyehye no ma say no wo sho se ne ya kunkuma be wo chena kona be me obehwe ase de agu no so na chese wo de asem kra na de abento oba no wo se be ma ni mpani bi okra anka gya no se so no ba no pese o tu free fie o mo gya ware no a na chese dan na o masie no ono ne chafa wen 3 bedroom o wo kotena he be ma ne ye ne den broni lawyer be ka se remedy ben eno owo ni nyina be ka eho asem ti ba musa lawyers na me fan sha se free so lawyer bo be ma me sha se free o honum obe o case ana oni case
yo
be ma do ye no no
yo oba no case pa mremu no so na atena 20 years ti e fa ne se one train aware kon mo ware. That's the first point.
Say if you are warrior, now say court, and I saw them, and Uncle for the I will mean, you will cap 127 wedding ordinance, and you war customary marriage, if an engagement, they walk come for the 3. One train, Mubawas, as whatever they say, it would be an warrior and brim. Inti, the castle, you're 20 years now, even so long period, no can I warrior, just say, obey himself warrior. Inti no. So oba na eduma kra on na 20 years no ayi wa de be contribution so da na omu sie no oba no wonya hwe kra no efie eduma o ye no kwa kra no emrem no e contribution a ento say na Supreme Court aye ama judgment say eno kwa kra no eduma oba no part in the property sa
which means say no
o chefa o
I say e be che be 50% ni dey 50 be me dey 50 te no kra no
eno ya aware jai na complain no ba na ma no obetimi agina so aja aware
yes no oba na me ka say yenim aware ko a omware but whatever it is say 127 kra no a obetimi agina sa
ne be ma na ye no
a file petition for divorce
eno ye enough so obegina so be ka so aja aware
because is he wo ade e no reasonable behavior. That's quality. Just say, Sabi, on any panty, on tea, or tetel, on no one, with an only in unreasonable behavior.
Now, by force, a piano by baby, a bemany.
And say, wouldn't it? Or why not it? Until I don't know whether I'm away near or tetel. In fact, a emotional trauma cry. Oh, man, or how between man, do me a cry. Okay. Until no year grounds. In fact, we'll call divorce petition. One of the grounds I say, we prove, say, Bema no and petitioner no opponent na would never court no or show unreasonable behavior na sa is behavior no etitemu a wa number ko ne say
we aduane a oni one wonna otete ohunehuna
fat
otiate na otiate
ba biskra yes so odi watem fie na de ni na ka ho one wonna na ya abuse no bia na say kwa ne san wo domestic violence act 783 no ba 202 eno kwa say act no kwa so support Sa we no. But when no the criminal offense.
Sir.
So we do court police station here say on that offense now. And no dey betimi achewa jail.
We you betimi do work police station say o no aduane a wonni.
Of course.
Oh.
Lawyer. Yes, under Domestic Violence Act. I'm telling you.
Mpacho lawyer chemu. So o you no aduane wa ani a and we criminal.
See. Make us say we kwale nye legal nye marriage asem. E be kokko Domestic Violence Act na abano a. And no offenses are won't be. All my top money cry offense. Under that, yes. All provide shelter.
There be end the bohobium.
Me say.
Why much of money?
Yes, a cruelty.
Oh, never
under the side new law, no Domestic Violence Act, no, and I making
Act 202, no.
I think I know they buy before time.
And then the measure that of an army,
yes, so no, some kind of they buy.
Why much of money? A
offense. And look at the offense under that law, under Act. So lawyer Babwamia. Domestic Violence Act. And look at the marriage asem.
Sir?
Yes.
Why much of money your offense?
One fair back. One fair offense. One fair offense. Even no refuse to provide them with the necessities of life.
What tiatia no offense. Uhum na say obeku na offense. So obehwe ase de gu no offense.
Look at the criminal offense.
Na one ne ya aka na one na nkasa e.
Enu na your own behavior na bia. Offense.
Any again na memo mu ye go.
In fact, when they on the case pa.
Okay, I see.
Because as in no can so a threat of harm. And a criminal offense under Act 29. Then go to report on police. I know a bit charging of criminal offense.
I see.
A threat of harm.
I see.
But can be threat of death, a criminal offense. Until we are to say, and do cry no more in your case more. To be doing damage and so cry the guy.
And now our agent to buy a betche and near man on my
20 years no contribution away in Anaa. So much fee, so all part of you for because of contribution. When my cry contribution away all these years, no. Man part in the building.
I see.
Yes.
Lawyer, my memory of Hona Musa say, yet now unia bema can warrior me and son. So they register general warrior one you man amoye pa. Sa warrior me and son. Obano, what was obai, Sawayano, if you are you, say a sorry demo, say a court to does it change Obano, writer, or what say be obeja warrior?
Say you can't say.
And I benefit to obenya woman.
You can't about divorce, you were. Matrimonial causes
act.
That this with divorce. In TFA we say Islamic marriage, and ordinance marriage, and Christian marriage. Before, until recently, there were different acts govern marriage.
Okay.
We have customary law marriage, under PNS law 112, and then we have ordinance marriage. Cap 127, and the Islamic marriage or Mohammedan marriage, Cap 129.
I see.
But recently, all the acts, yes, have been consolidated into Marriages Act 1884 to 1985.
I see.
Cap 127.
I see.
So, yeah. So that's the law governing marriages now. The first part, this with a customary law marriage. Yes. Then the second one, this with a Islamic law marriage.
I see.
And then the third one, this with a Christian or other marriages.
But what you say, if you no, and I say, "Mama, no pepper," because we are bad. Omu ni mtu omu koya sorry dem there na court there na. O to me kofa bi nka ho. Nti ene guess na on be resan of town. But so person show wa no a shada ye fia wari because o betimi awari bi aka ho.
Oh, the me can say enye the type of marriage we na a problem. Boni pano. Obetuma you fie adie kwan bet on fani yire echi.
It's true.
Obetuma ye ordinance and a Christian bet onyame no nim dia.
Oh yeah.
So many gardens.
Champion. We are champion.
It's enye the type. They can say engagement. Them say me ma Ghanaians who say yeah can engagement bio. It's customary law marriage.
Good. Fantastic.
Recognized by the law of Ghana.
The word engagement.
No. Young friend is engagement. It's different from how the Westerners recognize it. Ours is customary law marriage.
Complete.
And it's recognized by the law. And it's valid.
It's complete marriage.
And it's marriage on its own.
Complete.
Eba no mesem mo mate. Yes, ye ni engagement bio. Nti omo ya ko engagement yes munya ka. Mema ne na Adam ye ni engagement. Ye fia ware emra ni gitum. Ubetimi akogu no court. Unhia se obeye bibia aka fia ware no. Wo hwe no be ma ne tete na ye fia ware utumi court ko atuguba. O se atuguba be me ware mi fia ware o tete mpese mbegu no court. enye by force e fi aware enti na woni na wo de snap yes ye koja aware wa hu nipa na utumi de court e be frɛ na ba court eye fi aware enti utumi gu no court ma na ye asem a lawyer ache ni engagement no e free na kosu netu etwam bibie ni Ghana ha e frɛ na engagement eye aware e fi aware lawyer mpacho to asoma me afi enko mienu na aka no ordinance ne ba ko
nti ye kan ordinance we have 3 different types. We have marriage under marriage officers.
Okay.
There wo asori omu na ye marriage officers. Then we have marriage under marriage registrars. Omu na mu ye no assemblies. This Anaa court. And ye wo marriage under Islamic law. Omu to me no mosque.
Okay.
And ye san wo marriage under special license. And the ye wo register general department. Difference you know say special license no wo ma the omu to me call the normal 21-day notice.
But what you mu dey normal 21-day notice.
So person won call worry at least yes I won giving notice 21 days.
O de ma hwan? Oba no na say mema no.
No yes omu they find the publication of bans.
Publication of the bans.
Yes.
Bands.
BANNS.
Yes,
bands. Yes.
I see.
Yes. Inti ese omu publishing wo asori ana assemblies honum. Do bia won say papa we ana asimesi we obeso ye awari.
I didn't na mra na ye nza.
No say on person mo say so bia awari dada. No person on to me call minim say na yes.
Okay.
Nti ese obi an say papa we be say on ko no obi anti say okoye
na publication e chese ye be announcement to aso dem ana ye be ye newspaper ana say ye de be bo he publication no e chese
ye bet my no sorry the law says should be done 3 consecutive Sundays.
Sa wa so dem
yeah wa so dem about me I dey call assemblies no mu di carry a notice board
no publication
yes
I see
ye bet me you na sorry and bet me no district assemblies yes
so na wo bibia obeso de ka ho
na me better be train say me no can make be at was there so bans no is it BANNS what it means is say announcement say be ya notice to the whole world say as soon as seniors on be worry ti obi o ho asem ka
on ka
nti publication law say any publication yenyi mu nkire ti ni asem say yenyi mu nkire na obi en wo se bo be ware ti obi wo asem bia kan no obeka
but o sa asem na obi wo no e wo so kan within 21 days na otwemi ensa no ana se wo so wo twema na otwemi ensa no so ansa na asem me wo asem kan ma beka
we on say no wo kan say 3 Sundays so obi na so dem a Sunday we e ba announce the next Sunday 3 times until wo asem bia kan 3 Sundays which is 3 weeks
e wo so wo kan within the 3 weeks no
but say grab bonam man say the latest case bia ba no in fact that day no come wire kan so obi raise objection the match stop. So yes, that day.
But
yes.
21 days no notice no. Any public you kind if you bring
first Sunday no. Start difference day na 3 Sundays. Do say week be 7 days anyway. Until 3 Sundays no that's the assumption is that first Sunday no and then 7 days. Second one 7 days.
Third Sunday. And the third one it twem na mo ye where they no ana I from na what you to so enan so be any right on this of
no I'm going to say latest case e buy say one can you can only ho e be na only one t but
that is not fair
yo the law is law that day look am why no so be objection that day no between raise so them what the pastor or the priest should stop it
there be and the moja say mem lawyer when I want register general but say decision be
no in fact decision I don't have the case now
Supreme Court decision.
It's a court decision, but I don't have the case now.
I was here who said the Supreme Court and I say High Court and here when binding.
When we talk about caveat, the caveat should be based on legal ground, not on moral. When we talk about legal ground, say obiye wuyira na obiye ukun not me fa we chiko ye bibia. But yeah, that would be a bigamy. But when we talk about moral ground, maybe the person is your boyfriend or girlfriend. This is no legal ground for you to say you are
stopping marriage. You know? Okay.
It should be based on the legal ground.
So we your wife.
Yes.
But mbacho say eyemia na be ma ne me wo ba. On hwe akwala no. Meti me be stop here wire so or wire on hwe akwala nti. E no legal ground.
No, you cannot force anybody to marry you. But you
it is only me to me
no, but you can go to court for maintenance, say, on to me share accordano, so but won't to me for soon say, on warrant.
And I want to me stop it our Anaa.
No, it depends.
No, but say if you're a wife,
if you're a wife,
if your wife or one wife, then
if you're a wife, then you could stop the marriage.
But you, what can wife then anyway? Into me business or no one keke.
Oh,
no, dear.
Now when you're
no. But if you are a wife, even if you don't even have prior knowledge, say okay, on that same day, because the man is about perpetrating an illegality, you can always stop him.
That's right.
Because you didn't even know.
Okay, but you ever say, me and Eric, me to Kumase, me a lawyer, I will be okay. Mikunu. Mimi Okumase na wo akra. Me hu so wa be register January na why a 21-day notice no. Any a demand take me Okumase man take before mo abroche man take. Last day na mo asori dem no e na me te. Me fi Kumase na me ba. Metimi an stop
Oh yeah, there's a case like that in Ghana have I think Obano nim say nikunu ko wari. I'm said the same day and the day before no be catching he says who kunu ko ye we into alcohol mo ko so p.
Stop here.
That's the background.
Say me fan say obema no. Obema ne say ono me oba na me ye na ire na bia me wo Kumase no. We jai me. Ode na no jai me.
No that be okay.
Okaso ode na no jai me keke. 2. Ode nsa na omode be ya me ho ade no kra no. Wa be ka che me busuafo say we jai me. Ama be busuafo atena se. Is that enough? So
you can't just stop somebody with your mouth. If it is ordinance marriage, if it is ordinance marriage, you should go to court. It's only the court that has the power to grant divorce. If that has not been done, it means legally you are still legally married. And I want to draw a distinction between divorce and separation.
Good.
You may be married, and then maybe there may be problem between the two. Then you go your separate ways, but that doesn't mean you are divorced.
No.
In the eyes of the law, you may even go.
There's a difference between separation and divorce.
Yeah.
In the our problems, they couldn't talk. They come mammy, also call mammy.
But in the eyes of the law, you are
married because you are it is every walk now, mammy, over 6 months and not 2 years. Now also 2 baby, not 2 years. About for us still
because the law will not recognize the second marriage because it has not been dissolved.
Correct.
No, this all.
Lawyer, I say where how can there are so many money member to be on.
No, I even went to a church somewhere and the lady told me that they went to court for the marriage. Then she became pregnant. Before she could even deliver, the man had gone to marry another lady. And I was telling her the second marriage will not be recognized by there's no voice. I've been issue.
But lawyer, why can be a mouth? So we all hear you.
No, I sound to mean Konhu lawyer na lawyer to mean Buano. But we can't also person court. But we don't to mean worry bio. Yes, this is all court say there's dissolution. Otherwise, on to me.
Remember a wicked was as so. Or no a bear man, or barred or to hold. I don't know a bear man idea. Walk off for baffle for.
The law will not. The law will not even recognize.
My problem say, okay. Where is the law? What I don't know what they were. Where is the law? Lawyer. Say, who chop money in buy? Where is the law?
The law is always there.
I know, but lawyer,
the law is always there. Yes.
I know, but you see, that's my problem. The law is there, but the law is not helping you.
No, but if you don't take steps, if you don't take steps,
you also be able to come to your aid.
No, but
without you taking steps.
How the Lord knows
without you taking steps? Yes, you have to take steps. Yes, and the lady says she's afraid. She doesn't want to go to court. If you don't go to court, the marriage still subsists.
Yes,
until the court sets it aside. Yes.
In the event say Bema be wuno, why na ebe entitled to whatever inheritance, a man me no.
The first one, because the first marriage has not been dissolved, the law will not recognize the second marriage. So in the eyes of the law, the first woman is still the legally married wife.
The problem I mean, when I said the law will not come to a year, no. The law will not come to a busia for meeting, a busia penny and say, this is the recognized one.
No, that's why you should take steps to set the law in motion.
Take steps so I saw a tremanson. And I bear man is on pell, and I want to house still open.
And some power says someone to be court to quite a bit to me separate him. When yes, sir, you can go your separate way for 20 years. you are still validly married unless you go to court for dissolution. That's the law.
Fantastic point.
We see me ma na for ntia sese. So mu ye wedding a. Na say to problem bam. Na say officer aware no undun wale bi wa. Ye mfa san ko bam na buta so ja ware.
Some way wedding.
Why wedding quadia? You find some come back before say what are you and they is out.
Out.
Out cry.
Engine to say I did
to and never go say unko court. Emma court in this of our one.
Emma certificate to crank and one.
Our any our and tis say why else you in Sakoma
Ebusian for
normally mum tell butcher.
Aye.
Many be second. What tell butcher? No was him first and cause no. Wedding kwa we ordinance marriage there court pay. In fact, let me emphasize again. Court kwa na wo to me power say go are no. Osofo eldo when you be in asofo na omo say elders no, it's wrong. Sofo be no be go are apart from court.
Sofo to me go are
no, ordinance marriage sofo to go are no.
Na efia wa there sofo be to me.
Efia wa there and there families me no go be to me share go are no. But you know families me na be share aja ware no. Enti o me na be to me so ba no person wale bi wa obetumi e de na bushafo na ko be ma bushafo ka say mun sani e da maja wale it's perfect, it's allowed. But wedding there mako so de mako e dondo there
ana ya ko register no register general
ana be ordinance
ordinance 127 so we no court dem mo we this assembly we no court na ye ordinance 127 and there court go to twap.
I see.
And then Sunday go
and then still on caveat. You can't say caveat. It should be put into writing.
So person o stop ya ware na.
Yes.
Into to me kwa sorry dem no nko say so for men go away.
And the law said the caveat should be raised before the day of the marriage.
They also troko.
Yes, we mean troko. But at times I will call where the baby say on the same day whether anybody has an objection to the marriage. That's not the position of the law, but there will be exceptions. If you have any objection, you should raise it before the day, and it should be put into writing. Yes. So pastors should stop asking on the day of whether anybody has an objection to the marriage. Pastors should stop asking people on the day of marriage
whether there is anybody here who does not agree to this marriage, who has an objection to this marriage. Speak now or forever hold your peace.
If you have any objection, you should raise it before the day of the marriage.
I see.
Yes.
I see. I think that Jehovah who say,
and if you have any caveat, the law said the caveat should refer to the court. It's only the court that has the power to remove the caveat.
Into who your wife for cry, I was out to court to say court
yes, unless maybe the wife didn't know and then she came upon it, the exception she came upon it, that one you can stop it, because the man is even about perpetrating an illegality.
And you should stop that illegality.
Yes.
Okay.
And the caveat should refer to it's only the court that has the power to remove the caveat. Pastors don't have that power. The family members don't have that power to set you at no. It's only the court that has the power to remove the caveat.
And then many of the pastors we need senior lawyers na tia say, "Pacho abusia fo asofo no, afuto we come ye si free na ekro." Saa de na mugina so dem amuka say ya na emufe o. Se mo na tamu o. E na obi a wa so ahayi, e no wo adwinkyire bi o chese wo no obe ni be mei. Wo mo ware no e ka anya saa aka wanu tu. Yesi munya aka enye enimram. Yamao na watwe miensa kwasi ada miensa say ma announcement oya no wasem bia wo betimi abeka wa meka kwano tum ejisa wo ye oyire a wo de wunim ho hwe a wo nkrata eche say wo ye wife na be ma ne fo achi abeware de etoso mienu ani de bigamy de lawyer for the can ye crime otomra enu kra wo atugube ni ma wo bedam nti anu de oyire no betimi aba so dem abeka che so fo say mungu no because bone na oye no otumi hwe no ema onye sa abone no owi anu akokọ no akoka che court say de be ma asomesi ayenie enti court ka bi mame na court aka ya wari jai no so ya ka ho asem asa na ye ba ha no nti ya wari na enye joking matter enye agro nti dwen ho according to sa na wakohyem yenza ode obetimi ani se obe wari no watwempena nde mo ye dada nti wo de mo nkoso why na nyakopo so tisoro ohwe mo obi a ya lawyer kan emfa ho ne aware say ye fie say ye court say ye registrar general say ye nkramofo de bebre wo e kremoni obo e kristoni ko gina so dem and I shall do this and o te that do as a part so the girls 3 obie jani nyina oduru fi osemabre aduane ko ni no ada hunu nkom mo tro no to ni nyina lawyer kan unreasonable cameraman wo ye bi meboa asema me ka de na asere we me sha wo ye bi asema me ke kon tro do na me ka no ye kwa ba ye ba ye be kwa abrante bi case so abrante we osuro se wa wari obi ire o se oni oba hia e na oni ne ire ni che wa so dem no pepe na asem ne ade oni ni date a few months na fe o mo wari but oba ne ka chen se wa wari be ma bi e bra na o ko university no be ma no kwa na ebo anu na be ma no kwa abrochire o mo wari no kwa abrochire na be ma na kwa wari e no ti ne be bi na odwen ne ho ne ade to hia be ma fufuro no so ya me de be ma oja moko nti me wari o e no wari no onna wari am o ma wo ba ko na anu aso so ne oba ne kasa saa na be ma no dada no na sema bam ni ade na be ma no be ka se oba ne ka se em so ma wari na o mo wari ba ko no be ma na ko wari o ba to ma anwu no o ma se ne lawyer fo ka se wo se wo kokko de to bi fe anu ko gina so dem ko wari na wi ado anu hunu se megao emema no mpesa pa me de emema de munipa bone wa ya nam ka ma se ba ma ni bi so nye obi so wari pa so twempne mo de woni kunachi san for ebi wo kunu wo Ghana wo kunu wo America wo kunu wo Ghana wo kunu wo London nti eba behwe abrante we de se wa wari obi yira mpa anasa wari ba ko no oba na wari no ye twem se oni fufuro wo ba akwara no ko de ne be ma hwan se wo wari obi na oba no ye obi yire akwara na wo no does it become be ma dada na ba ana ye be ma fufuro ne ba be ka ne nyina me wo case ana ayede awaye ho asem ne ye be ka ti wo a otu oba bi so usi kaki jeans wadwene ne se one be ma ne te wonya ho ade wo ye yire wo na wo miesa enan waso be ye shirof wonya yire o woda ho ye mpena ye ba nya ba be kasa asem na mo case ana ani Ovesam makwaba eba Adom TV so me case ana ne ekomo na ye de because emra wo Ghana ha no ma yenim aje se make say me cameraman ni director say production member na wo mde mo po se na brasa mi director ne ho chite no keke se wo bra de omo ye no na lawyer ma me we Domestic Violence Act 2007 Act 732 act ni na ko act ni mu a o kire mu de wo ye oba ana be ma kire se offense wabu mra watia mra na nya offense oba na no betwi oman no waye bone no atia oman no to oman ne betimi amo wakodam ubedam ubekọ akodansa wom akuse tamale soga ubedam amo waso be yese tie ni o say meaning of domestic violence ye ka say what the domestic violence what the obi bone a e wa wawie a o say specific acts of threats to commit acts likely to result in physical abuse. So who know and pose mebo me dey ase begu so me twa sumo me nante weni so di mayao eno ye ubedem atugba oyire kra ubedem eno no physical assault obo no use of physical force against another person including forcible confinement be mebu anu ato ne yire pom locking them se na so odin na opie na ne na fo no locking them ubedem detention of another person and the deprivation of another person's access to adequate food o chire no kom ubedem atuguba benya nkofo jeli o mo Ghana ha bia wo mo ba no chop money na lawyer kan wa ma no chop money ubedem wa ma na aduane ani ubedem pacho enye me nka mama no nti ma na muti mu nyam de wo ba no so ukunu wa ma na aduane ani se ana wa ye mbone nti me ma na aduane me no aduane wo so ba no ubedem o se jeli o ba bi na ma no susu anyansa ya pesa dodo ye ne ka wu mema so se mema nkwa na mba bi nye kobo bremai onu aduane da enu sei ubedem e first a deprivation of water wa ma ukunu nsuo anom kora ubedem wo ba no ubedem clothing wa ma na atade anhye bronya se mame onye se wa ma reasonable atade o se bia no ho atete ohwe no onya na ubedem shelter wa ma ne ba bi obeda ba ma bi won mo se me ja o wa kope odan mudi nsafu wo Ghana mu mema no rest wa ma na eni nkoko bedi wa ma oba na wa ma na ma na suma anyo no enu kro bedem enti wo ma oba bieja na dwubia wo pe bieja o mo ba ne na no kwa wa you come under this afei subjecting another person to torture o tete no o tete obi wo to me di o be ma temo ama be ma na ma no feel useless be ma pa ya go no sebe o tinka so onye obi how oba besia to me to o 32 didi be ma tem eno sa other cruel inhumane degrading treatment or punishment inhumane ade ensem fata nipa o be ma no mfa nye ho ba o de ye oba o oba no mfa nye ho so de ye be ma so degrading ebi amohia so de no adi natem wo hia no nafo no mani no adi natem we oba papa oba fun we na we de be ma wo hwe me a o classmate me wo be ma o ba ne me what oh man bi ye ka ho no atumi ate wo anu aka che be me na wo hwe a wo meet ne me na ni hu meet no akwa wa o yes sir you come under this act a criminal offense mra ya se ogana ha bebre ka ho na me ka be ma na mo Ghana mo ahwe a muntre mo be dwane betu afiga na ma no betu nti niema we nyina da ko ye be hye da ye no nko anwo show niema nkofo de ye omo yire no ma na omo kuru no a ye physical abuse no we so de wo de ya wo girl cry wo betimi de wa court because criminal offense dem fa wo say nipa ne ya wo girl ana ye wo fiancé ana ye wo yire ana ye wo kunu nipa ne hia marriage status what I say but enko ye case na ye free wa e buy no abrantie yi o say em say wa wari obi foforo ayi wo she oba no asore dem e na one ne kekan ya oba no kwa no school na ansa na oba ne say na one be ma bi e wo ho ona one ne wari omo kosan wo AMA omo ye no mko kumase ko ya ifro dondo na be ma de onya abroche no ko no se nkra tenti be ma na ko wari okowari so ache oma na ebusuafo ni mienu hia na omo amugu awari na ebusuafo no na omo wansan ko AMA ana wansan kwa asore dem ho sese be ma no so fufo na wawari oba no oni oba na wo abamu a sese obusa se na yire ana be ma fufo yire akwaje obi tonga lo aribike ma misha se fu we na yire ana se onu mo be ma na akoto awari so
yeah as I said earlier once there's ordinance marriage it's only the court that can dissolve it if you don't go to court for dissolution and you go to marry another person the law will not recognize the second marriage so it's a usual case we are say only first we no man jai our answer no call worry the second one no. So the law will not recognize the second marriage because it's not valid because the first one has not been dissolved.
I see.
Until the dissolution of the first one the second one stands on nothing.
I see.
Yeah, so ab initio it is null and void. It's only the first one.
It is all consign wo AMA now kwaya efra wa consign wo AMA wo no wasan ya efra him fa na wo so okogwa aware no
ese want to me court nkwa na betumi asepeti atmama divorce
nti ebusuafo no ntumi metena se say oh yaka
debi no de
what about say two families nyina atum say aware we
unless it is customary law marriage but it's a ordinance ese court nkwa na betumi yes
no mama na musa osa ayi abranche say ne ba no one oba na wo den obeye na ama ono ne oba na waye na tumi adimu e wo so oba no kokogu awaye na ko file divorce or court na oba ne nye den
say the meaning the kind no is emremu no na let me make this point cry is orders marriage 127 is above focus no you say a monogamy strictly one man one wife there's no what do you call it no negotiable is one man one wife strictly who do want to be in it's only customary law marriage now every engagement and about for say potentially polygamous so we customary marriage there and the woman will be account but ordinance in there a one man wife enti send them ya kan no mo ye cop 127 what they know there court nkwa na wo tumi say ogusa ware no
I see
say court bu nko court mu ogusa ware no a emremu no aware no still a wo ho say subsist and they say daily case no say okay be man no the case na ba nya oba no boss oba man no share no share oba
no so say oba no bia na
so they say oba na we share no ware no oba no emremu no okun dada
ai
okun a sa ware na oni a oba man no wa America na ware no yengu no enti sa ware no say oba so ware oba na dia ti say
oba no kogu ba ko no file petition wo court
petition
okay
but no dey found say be man ni ha
okay obetimi file
you can still go and do the petition in my case that in back no on ba no near in Ghana here but you file the petition no
okay
na be man pakon de power ten ba on manti ye obi nyuma no ti egwaware no
okay
enti obeti ofale petition no a ba ye bedu ka sabu nipa outside the jurisdiction
I see
ye bedu na onya ne freedom no egwaware no anya sade a we one nam no in fact onye safe boss in fact anya ware won no no void
onye safe
boss first one no e embrem no still no wo ho enti ongu no de a ene ne be so bi hotel buches abe no ba be onu ba be go
oma wa no sha na be boa wa
na onkokot
lawyer we became patcho say nipa no register e wo registrar general nko a obey den wo gu aware e was so back to registrar general to so obegu na
no sana me kan
onye AMA onye assembly
no but is he
no why registrar general nko a oguna
registrar general we have the power to
marry
but we don't have power to dissolve no.
No,
it's only the court.
Only the court
that had the power to dissolve ordinance.
Don't to me, my registrar general.
No. So many times people come to us, oh, I've married, so I want divorce. What I tell them is, I say, I'm court. Court will come to me, Ama or
but Vim, as yes. Can you now gonna fantasy?
Yeah, it's only the court that has the power to dissolve the marriage. Registrar General Department doesn't have that power.
No
pastors don't have that power. The churches don't have that power.
No.
If it is customary law, then they can go to the family. But if it is ordinance, the families don't have power to do that.
The law Arabic and it's here for Mr. Man. No, we are mobile. Was it if you are dear? Who to me good fear? And no crave you no pa. Who to me go no court? But
yes,
the I know what TMA. KMA, AMA,
Assembly,
Anaa Registrar General.
Sorry them.
They just a court to pay. And a court to go away no be ma certificate. They say they all call away ma marriage certificate no. Ya be ma certificate dey dance say ya guno. Afa ya suma si Anaa so benten. Unu atwam. Onya ohwe, onya obibia. Na ukọ court kra, na court fra asem na ye nwie asem no a. Utumi ko gina ba bi nkoka se, wa kọ court ye nwie asem no. Osimeja aware. Unya aware. Still aware no konkon. E dan say paper ukọ court kra court be ma mo bre. Se bia mo hwe se bia be afe mbetimi aya nti mi so wonya se ukọ court na egu aware na ma e wo so utumi nya lawyer obedi dance se bia de wote ho no the lawyer focus say a breaking down beyond resolution what you say answer na court aje atum nti we serious case e wo so utumi e hwe wasem ka ha lawyer
about 3 weeks ago I was in the office when a man and a lady came to my office. I think the man was resident in the US.
I see.
He was married
over there.
Yes. And then I think he put in the application for divorce. He didn't wait for the court to grant it. Then he came to marry another lady in Ghana. So the lady wanted to join the man
over
outside.
There.
And the embassy looked into it and saw that at the time they were having the marriage.
Married, no, why will be that?
Yeah, so it's like the lady was refused. So they had to wait for the first one to be dissolved, and then they had to come to our place.
For marriage?
A second marriage, yes.
Wow.
Because the first one had not been dissolved. No, the man put in the application.
So first marriage is illegal?
No.
So now they have to marry second time?
It's a second time, yes.
The lawyer can know. Also, if you are broche, why are broche? And oh yes, so Jawa, you know, broche. No, almost started some year court on Kratano. And when you do court one morning, said Jabra, when I say didn't get a no, I see any idiot can go to court. Only sensible people can go to court. Who idiot? Now, into where you no do court when you see a go away no bag anana. When you get was no, will be buna yasi agum, or bewano, or file man, na embassy was a bra. Time no one is our bar no Ghana. That's our reba, kuni no America. In German, ya more ban crater. I feel almost about registrar general number second hour here. So, anyway, we will say 1 money K womb, double K womb. Now, your call break now lawyer can't say me say case be say Jemfi and Jemfi.
Yeah, Jemfi and Jemfi.
Was he a branch and now you if you are here? Well, no. One Obano no him say oh man if you are here the fan how far oba for Accra. And the oye wedding popping court there. And oba e no we are popping tete no akọ court. Now atuba ni Mrs. Eyi just so fa kufu no. Ona call no say ayengu court there the man court say now okra time no o ware sa aifrowe na wo fia ware de o nti se why obi ho ade wo fia o ware ni fia untumi mfa kire nkoye fie ayi court de tie nie pa eno ya asema ye ko break na lawyer person osi studio ntu ye fie aware a wo betimi aware bia kan je se o san aware another efie aware untumi nkoye aye franka efie aware no ana untumi nkoye court de nka efie aware wo ya haram atugubacho obedem ma wa so be hye lawyers ye bre na ye aso nti ye mfa ye final word ye di betwa to lawyer ma me sha say if obi cross any me photo he wo de wa hwe abanti o se na yire na abo ne sa no se mema bi bre wa buna ma na ne ti apahwe be enti domestic violence we no next week e ba no ha na ye beka ho asem ma no amobo mema no wo na be me wo tumi bu na wo ne be ma koda mpa so wi a wo de ade abo be ma tirim na mema ne bi so nya bi a we say sa no kodi nsemfo no ba na ye ne sa so ko mia oba me ne se okunu a ono so de obenya bia no de ahwe utirim ba mpacho wo nsem atwa to final words why
yo na me ka twa ni se ze ne ka waya ho asem na me sense su bia mpete me sisu na maga na afo chi asese wedding de se also be wedding a ene se wo chi asese emran ko a court nko a na etimi twam me manya so many cases of this nature sorry for omba me ko Pentecost edes kwat minya omba mpso da wa me se da bi che court unti se we wedding nko a de a we capon to serve marriage ne de a court nko a na wotumi o hin tumi twam so for tumi twam obitafo tumi twam court nko a na tumi twam na mbom na me nka bi o se we fia ware nso a na se wo so da ware se be ma ne so hawa dwe no ye ya wetumi enso de akọ court ma na edigu wedding wo court no sama na so fa bi won ma me kwan ma wo ware fia ware nso a botumi akosa mra no eju sama no de go na ma
okay
and that make
yo ezi la rubike ma me final words futu an
the person we can say when we talk about marriage in Ghana it's between male and female.
Obani obema
we don't allow homosexual marriage in Ghana. God didn't create another Steve for Adam. He created Eve for Adam. So we'll never accept this so-called homosexual marriage in Ghana. No. It's between male and female. We'll never accept that. Then we want to talk about gazetting of ministers. If you are a minister, yeah.
Me person who back cry na kupon ya Adom next week. Lo around. Because you nkwa nkwa no.
Oh, okay.
Asofo na enya kan nkwa. Asofo na omu ni right so me ware.
Licensing of the place.
The chapel, the pastor, and the church.
Omu nyina was say gazette o mansa.
Okay. All of them.
Into ni lawyer yen fancy anum say Yakopon me do message next week why. Brani en kan no. Because asofo na enya say ye call mo side pa. Enti abusuafo ma yen fa musi anum say na de madawma ene mani age. Kese ni binyama masua no. Ene wanso ne ma wasua no timpacho ma na mo kire mema kom mo hye nika deda mo hye jeans leggings no ne ade deda mema na mo bo ma na mo bo mema no mo kire o mo ni nyina ye crime mo so ama wari fia wari ama fa kire ya ye fro wo wedding mo so nyina ye crime pacho mu nyina ye yentu ye hofo ye tontonti ye no mo sa no ne ye fa adwene ye fa me vim lady efia poko ye ne lawyer fo ame no mo adi dwumedie senior lawyers lawyer eye ola dele Kwaku Arubike Ghana kum Nigeria wisdom and law waben pa registrar general and wodi ni juma principal state attorney no sanso na lawyer kwabna bo aben mensa senior lawyer more than 20 years at the bar wodi lawyer juma perifo mienu ene no ma boy ame ate ensem na se adam ase ama mu nyina mo anytime